Oh my God, I just discovered something super bad, I think. So Felix just left, the house, and I wanted to peel off a little bit more wallpaper and then... Hey everybody, and welcome to the house. Today's the day nobody was looking for. Today we need to take off all the wallpaper. I kind of feel like house renovations go in curves. It started all with a phase of crazy demolition, a lot of excitement, and now we're in a valley of doing all the preparations we need for the next peak of demolition and construction. So we need to clean all the walls from the wallpaper because then Marius can prepare all the electricity. We planned all the switches, power outlets, lights, wall lights, all that stuff. He also made a really cool plan. Hold on, check this out. This is where we are right now. This is the lower level. The furniture are not exactly how they're going to be, but this is a rough plan. Remember the big beam we took out? This is where the bathroom was, so this is going to be the storage area. Yeah, so we planned the house roughly so we know what kind of electricity layout we need. So now it's time for us to prepare the walls that Marius can do his work. He needs to cut the slots for all the wiring and all that. So it is crunch time for us. I bought a porcupine roll. Looks like a medieval torture device. Yeah. Hopefully it helps. Okay. Oh no, cook. Here.
No, Laura.
Okay, now let's rescue the, what is it, butterfly or is it a moth? Ja, ist ein Oh no, 10 Zentimeter zu niedrig. I think it's a little weak. Maybe we should put it in the garden. No, no, no. Nee. Stop. Yeah! Most important, we cannot lose the infos that Marius and I wrote on the walls. So we have to document this. Ja, kann man ja genau gar nichts drauf sehen, ne? That means that this is where the sink goes. 2 more outlets, a light or a power outlet for a light over the mirror. Okay. Sounds so much more fun than it is. Let's try one wall without the porcupine roll.
5 seconds.
A good horse only jumps as high as it has to. Okay. Let's try this wall because there are no outlets here. Without the porcupine roll, just to see if we really need it. Oh ja?
Oh.
Hey. Ja, okay, ist ja mega easy. We should try one wall without anything.
Yes.
Because I think taking it out dry might be an option too. Okay, porcupine doesn't make a difference, I think. I think just water is the way to go.
Really?
Or maybe nothing. Well.
What do you think? How long will it take?
2 to 3 days. But this is definitely something I can come here at night, do an hour of wallpaper work and just do it behind the scenes. I just want to get this behind me though. This is not my favorite work. Maybe we should get Janine. Hi. Hast du schon mal Tapete abgerissen? Als Kind? Geil. Willst du ein paar Kindheitserinnerungen auferwecken? We can go to the studio for lunch and then Janine will join us, help with the wallpaper.
Nice.
So Felix, What do you think we're having for lunch today?
Oh, I don't know. Tell me.
You think it's going to be a surprise?
Yeah, absolutely. Every day a new lunch.
Every day something new. So we're not only cleaning this for electrical reasons, it also has to be pretty clean for the installation, because we're insulating the house from the inside. You lose a little bit of room, of course, but that way you can keep the historical facade, and also that's what I decided to do. Oh yeah, I know another reason, because we want to do the heating in the walls. I think the space you lose with having insulation in the inside, you make up because you don't have radiators in the house. It's a cleaner look, I think. Aha!
Oh.
Es geht schon wieder los. Oh nee, guck mal, das ist alles locker. You remember? Do you know what that means?
Oh no. Oh no.
It's just a little bump in the road. So much fun! Keep the spirit high! This could be like ASMR content, right? Imagine that's like our most successful videos, just pulling off wallpaper because of the sound. All the other work we do is worthless. Ooh, newspaper. Das ist ja geil. Let's look for a date. Börse, Aktien erholt, Renten gebessert. Okay, it's old. 20. August 82.
Oh.
So that's 365, that's 360 days before I was born. Ja, lass mal die Seite hier aufheben. So funny, the first time this happened, we were like, oh my god! And now it's like, oh well, yeah, we have to get rid of all of this. Alright, it is what it is, whatever. So for the first 6 months we ate potatoes for lunch, and then it evolved into this dish, and I think it's pretty much a year that we've been eating the same thing for lunch. And das ist auch freiwillig, ne?
Ja.
Rice, beans and a fried egg. Soy sauce, usually we have a little bit of sesame, but we ran out, and hot sauce. Perfect lunch. Oder?
Super. Mir schmeckt's wirklich sehr gut.
Ja.
Wirklich. Ist nicht nur, weil die Kamera an ist. Es ist ein Kampf Classics.
Und fandest du es komisch, dass wir jeden Mittag das gleiche essen?
Nö. Ich weiß auch nicht. Ich finde es ganz komisch. Aber ich finde es gar nicht weird. So, hier passiert dann nichts mehr Lustiges, ne? Okay. Tschüss.
Alright, after this exciting lunch, we're back at the house and we brought some more friends. Janine and Thomas are helping us, and maybe we can get it done in a day with 4 people. What do you think?
1 hour.
One. Okay, we'll see. Time starts now.
Yo.
Ey! Ey!
Voll nicht so ist fein. So the thing is, I don't know what any of this means, but I tried to copy it. And that's probably my school career in a nutshell. Felix?
Huh?
I think there's an old window.
Oh yes.
Hear that?
Or door maybe? Window.
I'm expecting that there must be a treasure somewhere in the house, so maybe this is where all the cash is. Oh no.
Oh no.
It's the cacti ply. Ah, where is the money? Das ist der alte Fensterrahmen. Ja, guck mal, wie geil das mal aussah, ey. Okay, so once again, no money in the walls, but we found a different kind of treasure, the original window frame. And I think this could be very interesting because we want to change the windows to its original state if we can afford it. But to have this piece that we can kind of take sketches off of, I think it's pretty useful. Also, it's cool to find a hidden window in the wall.
Wirklich?
Ja.
Oh. Krass.
Das heben wir auf.
Komm mal kurz mit. Guck mal da in den Raum. Im Boden.
Nein! Mein Artikel war der beste.
Es ist so nervig. Jetzt ist Laura ja nicht da. Jetzt kann man es auch mal sagen. Das ist das nervigste Projekt, was wir bisher hatten. Da muss es doch irgendwas Geileres geben. Eine geilere Maschine oder Technik. Oh. Ja. Ja, ey.
This project, I think it was one of the less glamorous jobs, I would say, but those jobs also have to be done, and I'm very thankful that I have my friends here who helped me get this out of the way. It is necessary and it's also important, and we also discovered the old window, and now maybe the guy who builds the windows can take that as a sample. Who knows? We'll see. I think it's so crazy how different the rooms look. I mean, the wallpaper looked old and vintage and kind of ancient, but now with these different colors and everything, it looks so weird. It's crazy to see the house like this because when we bought it, it appeared to be a perfectly fine house with electricity and heating and wallpaper and all the things. And now we worked in it for 6 months and it feels like this is less of a house now because we're doing everything so thoroughly. I am happy and I'm scared at the same time. I can't wait to see how this all looks finished because I think this is the lowest point construction-wise. From now on, we're going uphill. Oh my God, I just discovered something super bad, I think. So Felix just left the house and I wanted to peel off a little bit more wallpaper, and then I poked in there and a whole piece of concrete fell out, and it seems like there's an ant nest in the beam. What the hell? What? It's tickling everywhere. That's bad. I think that's bad.